Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey, and the biggest sale of the year is starting really soon. Black Friday sale starts next week. So as usual, tons of really awesome assets will be heavily discounted at half price. But on top of that, this sale has a really exciting new feature called Lightning Deals. Every day there will be brand new deals. They start off on a massive 90% discount, and slowly the discount goes down as more and more people pick it up. So if you get it quickly, you can get it for a massive discount. Now, I won't be making a video every single day, but I will be posting on the YouTube community tab, although I'm not sure if YouTube notifications notify you of new posts there. I will also be posting on Twitter, as well as on my mailing list. I've added an extra option so you can go to your usage settings and opt into the sale email. So if you want to make sure you don't miss those massive discounts, follow me on any of those three places and I'll let you know as soon as each deal goes live. As of right now, you can already see which ones will be part of the very first Lightning deal. So you have two Synthes packs. I'm always a fan of this art style. There's the Dungeon Realms with tons of medieval and fantasy assets. And there's also the Pirate pack with a lot of pirate stuff. Again, if you get it quickly, you can get this one for 90% off, so this would be just $5. Then you also got two interesting Match 3 packs. So these are great if you're working on that specific genre. There's a really interesting Giant City generator. There's also a fighting game engine, so if that's the kind of game you're working on, this could be great. There's also a pack with a massive amount of animations. Now these are humanoid, so they work with any character. Getting this one at 90% off would be a great deal. Then there's a card game kit, a low poly engine, a really nice loft, a bunch of music, another animation system, some UI, and a really nice radar. So as you can see, tons of awesome stuff, and this will be an excellent deal, especially if you manage to get it at 90% off. And after this set of Lightning deals starts, there will be another one after that, and so on until the end of the sale. So like I said, do pay attention to the community tab, or Twitter, or the email, so you don't miss out on some possible massive discounts. And the sale itself will have 500 of the best assets on sale, so if there's a great asset you've been waiting for, then chances are it won't be discounted. For example, all of the assets that I've already covered in my asset review series, those are all excellent, and I'm guessing they will all be on sale. There's the A-Star Pathfinding project, which I highly recommend. It's a pathfinding system that is capable of adapting to pretty much any scenario. I've used it myself in pretty much every single one of my Steam games. Then there's the Odin Inspector. It's an excellent tool for making tools. So it's one of those things that if you take the time to learn, it can greatly increase your productivity by a massive amount. And the last one that I reviewed was the Curved Worlds asset. If you want a really unique look for your game, then that asset looks great. Check out those review videos if you want to learn some more about those assets. Those are all excellent, so I'm guessing they will all be included in the sale. I will also be doing a video on some of the highlights from the sale when it goes live, and since the sale will have tons of awesome assets at a heavy discount, I'm planning to do a couple more asset review videos to help you see how an asset works and if it's worth the price. With so much awesome stuff, hopefully you will find something that will help you with whatever project you're currently working on. And as always, when you use any of my affiliate links, it's the same price to you, you get some awesome assets, and you help support the channel. So it's a win-win all around. Alright, so thanks for watching, stay tuned for those Lightning deals and for the entire sale to start next Monday.